Okay, we're going to go over a couple of the other words that are going to go over some of our other rules. So we're on the 25th word, and the word is will. We will have dinner soon. The word is will. Will, one syllable in the word will. First sound, w. What do we use? What without a feather? So we'll write the word letter w. Second sound, I. Do we mark it? No. First sound, will. Last sound in the word will, ul. Do we mark it? No. Only sound. Is this the legal spelling? No. This would be the first but not the last time we will ask this question. How do we make it legal? We double the letter L. So we're going to add another L to the end. The rule is the letters L, F, and S are usually doubled following a single vowel at the end of one syllable words. Let me say that again. This is called the Lefse Rule. It is the letters L, F, and S are usually doubled following a single vowel at the end of one syllable words. And if we remember the Lefse, we'll remember L, F, and S are usually doubled at the end of one syllable words. The next word we're going to do is the word we. So let me get a new screen up here. The word is we. Starting with the first sound, w. It's what without a feather. Second sound, e. And it's at e. We mark it with an underline because it's a name sound. And the rule is A-E, O-N-U. Usually say A-E, O-N-U at the end of an English syllable. Simple enough. You guys are smart. You can get this. The next word is an. He bought an old car. The word is an. How many syllables in the word an? One syllable. The first sound we hear is a. We use a. So we're going to write it. We do not mark it because it's a first sound. Second sound we hear is n. It's the only n we know. We don't mark it. It's an only sound. The next word we get is the word my. My day was wonderful. The word is my. How many syllables in the word my? My, one syllable. First sound we hear is What shall we use? The only we know. Write that. Second sound in the word my. I. What I do we use? Ya, it, I. Do we mark it? Yes, we underline it. This is the name sound for the letter Y. Here's a new rule. The letters I and Y may say I, but usually say I at the end of an English syllable. So let's try that again. Letters I and Y may say I, but usually say I at the end of an English syllable. Good one to remember. Next word that we're going to work on. The word is up. Look up in the sky. The word is up. One syllable in the word up. First sound. We use you, We're going to write it. We do not mark it. It's the first sound. So we have you, Second sound, p. What p do we use? The only single letter p we know. And we'll write it. We don't mark it. Only sound. Next word. The word is last. He was the last person in the store. The word is last. How many syllables in the word last? One. What's for sound? Ul. What ul do we use? The only single letter ul we know. Second sound, a. We're using a. Do we mark it? No. First sound. Second sound, or third sound we hear in the word last. S. What do we use? Z. Do we mark it? No. First sound. And the last sound that we hear in the word last. Do we mark it? No, only sound. Next word. The word is not. The delivery man is not on time. The word is not. One syllable in the word not. First sound. Do we mark it? No, it's the only we know. Next sound is the word ah. What ah do we use? Ah, oh, ooh. Do we mark it? No. Why? First sound. Don't mark first sounds. The last sound we hear is t. Do we mark it? No. Only single letter t we know. Next word that we are using is the word us. Are you going with us? The word is us. What's the first sound we hear? What do we use? Do we mark it? No, first sound. Second sound we hear? S. We use z. Do we mark it? No, first sound. Next word. The word is am. I am learning how to analyze words. The word is am. One syllable in the word am. First sound, ah. Is the ah that we're using. Second sound in the word am, Do we mark that? No, only we know. Next word. The word is good. It is a good day to go skiing. The word is good. How many syllables in the word good? One syllable. What's the first sound we hear? G. We use g. J. Do we mark it? Nope. First sound. Is the second sound we hear. What do we use? O. No. What is this one? Ooh, oh, ooh, oh. Ooh, oh. We write ooh, comfortably close to our j. Do you mark it? Yes, it's a multiple letter phonogram and one that I apparently have trouble with. Last sound in the word good. D. What d do we use? The only single letter d we know. Do we mark it? No, only sound. And that one, just to reiterate, is oo as in food, as in book and good, and o as in door. And that is the last word we're going to do for right now. So we're going to take a pause and go to the next one.